Check out these hogs. So I have a different device design. These are prototypes. They are essentially rapid deploying screening smokes that have a safe formulation. It's the same formula as the military's M-83. These have silicone valves on the bottom. And this is an M201A1. And this is an M228 with an M201A1 spoon. It goes. Anyway, so these are rapid deploying screening devices. This one matches the dimensions of an M18 or an M83. And this one is slightly larger. We'll start with this one.
I yank it?
Yeah.
Another one.
The storm's moving away.
That's cool. I would like to speed up the duration a bit more if I can. So maybe, all right, next is this version, larger version. There we go. Wow. This one's great. Oh, that was a good one. All right, so that second one was made with fast visco. The prior one, the first one, was medium fast visco fuse. All right, so I used the orange and the pink on those two devices. Here is the pink. Now, this is the M-83 starter mixture. Here's a formula for that. That is what the U.S. military uses in their M-83s. They do not have anything like this, though. They have a starter mix, and then that just burns. This is a 10 seconds per foot fast visco on a helical igniter. You can see the residual burn there. Yeah, the starter mix is it's not a super aggressive primer. This one will be pretty aggressive. Now I'll do the medium. These not crazy fast. All right, here's this one. I don't know the speed of these ones, but they're faster than 10 seconds per foot. Ooh, that's cool. All right. Damn, son. Okay, goodbye. I love you.